how well you can see it. First day of planting. Yeah, starting with the soybeans. The worst part is I'm on my way to work, so I'm not going to be able to get video for you guys. Yeah, they're starting here, and then they're going to go over to the neighbors, so that's good. This is first on their stop, so it makes sense. But yeah, on the one sense, I can go to work and work my job, and the work here is getting done. On the other hand, it doesn't make for good YouTube, so I'll try to keep you guys posted with what's going on. All right, guys, good afternoon. I'm back with you here. Yeah, that field looks like I got everything on that one. So spraying without a foam marker. This field is a little odd. It's a triangle, so we did all right there. Let's go up on the hill because it's been a week since planting, and I don't know how far I don't know if they're done. I gotta go look. Okay, that one was done. That one and the field I just showed you were corn on corn. They might have planted those and going up to the neighbors. I don't know yet. I'll have to see. A lot of times that's what they'll do. They'll stop here, plant the corn on corn, go up to the neighbors, plant his corn on corn, switch the seed at the farm up there because it is different seed that they'll use, and they'll plant his regular corn after soybeans, and then they'll stop at my place, finish here, and then back home they go. So let's just take a look here, and that's where they're at. We had gotten some rain. I expect probably they'll be back Monday or Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. But yeah, the corn after beans they don't have planted yet, and I can see here this is soybeans. These weeds on the end escape the herbicide treatment. So yeah, there's a whole. Well, we're gonna have to rely on the. Yeah, we're gonna have to rely on the enlist, I guess. Yeah, it's too late to go back and respray now. It's been in a while. I mean, the beans are soon ready to come out of the ground, so. We're just gonna have to be on the ball here with the post. If anybody, I pretty well know what I want to use. If anybody out there, a lot of you farmers, I'm looking for a cheaper post-emergence broadleaf herbicide for the corn. I've been using Status every year, and that has gotten ridiculous in price. I mean, really bad. And for what it is, I mean, it's dicamba. So if anybody knows anything, like I said, I think I know what I want to use. If anybody has any any suggestions as to what would be cheaper as a post-emerge for broadleaves in corn, something that'll have some residual, something that's labeled for Pennsylvania, and it's a little bit cheaper than Status. So just comment below what you guys think would work. In the past, I really like Status because it does work very well. I never had any issues with it, but like I say, the price is the issue now. It's a name brand. I'm just wondering if there's like a generic alternative that's going to be a little affordable. I did good this year with the pre, so I don't think I need something as aggressive. So yeah, comment below. And I'll end the video here. Somebody asked me for an update on what they were doing with the pasture and the cattle project. I'm not really sure where it's at. This is the 4 acres that they were going to use for pasture. One of the local farmers was helping him out. He did rip up the field for him and disc it. I don't think anything was planted. I didn't see any tracks of like a planter. I think the green you're seeing is just what's coming up from sitting for a couple weeks. But trying to start a pasture in the dead of summer is going to be a little bit tough, especially if it's dry. So I don't know. I don't really know where it's at. It really doesn't have anything to do with me. So we're just one thing to have going for them is the fertility in this field should be pretty darn good because I had put chicken manure on it. So yeah, you're welcome. So anyway, it is what it is. But yeah, that's basically the update. We don't have a fence yet, and it's just a worked field that, as far as I know, maybe it's planted. I can't tell. I don't think it was.